Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Working on this HAMWORTHY boiler which has locked out. It is locked out on fault code 4. It has an intermittent lockout. Let's have a look what this stands for in the manual. In the manual, fault code 4 says flame failure or premature flame signal. The flame does not appear, no gas valve will not open, significant gas valve adjustment error, defective HT transformer, HT lead or HT electrode. The flame only appears for 3 seconds, live/neutral, reversed, defective ionization probe or ionization probe lead. Okay, let's reset this bad boy. So it's in 0, awaiting demand for heating or hot water. 2 is fan speed rise time. 3 fan speed rise time / pre-ventilation. 7, burner operating on hot water. Burner operating on heating. That's our working pressure. So at the moment the boiler is working, but it's gonna have intermittent lockout soon. In the meantime, whilst we're waiting for the boiler to lock out, let's have a look at some of the parts we have here. So we have a new gas valve ordered. A new gas valve has been ordered, and I have checked the resistance on this new gas valve, and I'm going to compare it to the gas valve which is in situ. Okay, we're going to check the resistance of the solenoid on EV1. There's our resistance, 8.6. I've written that down here, 8.6. Now I'm checking EV2. We've got 45.4. I've got here 45.6 written down from earlier. I have a spark generator here. It looks a bit different from the existing spark generator. I have my igniters here. And I have my ionization probe here. And over here you have my air handling unit supply, because the boiler was off when I arrived, but now it's on. You can see the temperature rising in the space that the air handling unit is supplying. So here's the air handling unit, and these are my coils. My heating pipework is going into my air handling unit, and they're supplying the building, or should I say the particular area, with heating at the moment whilst the boiler is running. There's my flow and return pipework from my boiler into the air handling unit, so hot air is going to get blown into the area. So while showing you that my boiler was going through its sequence and it reached 8 and 9, so end of demand for heating or hot water, and now it's going through the sequence again of pre-ignition and it has lit up successfully this time. Actually it hasn't, it failed. So I saw a flame inside there. There was a flame. Let's observe the gas valve when it locks out again. So stage 3. It's attempting to light. Looks like it's failed. Okay, so I'm not seeing, well, the gas pressure did drop slightly, but let's at the same time look at our flame picture when it fails to light. So we got 21 millibar at the moment, and it's going to attempt to light again. Let's see what the gas pressure drops to. Okay, ignition, ignition. Locked out again. It's going to attempt to light again. Watching this thing attempt to light once again. I hope you can see that. Okay, now I'm checking the resistance on EV1 on my solenoid, my gas solenoid. I've got 8.8, comparing that to before, 8.6. So it looks fairly similar. Now let's check EV2. On EV2 we've got 46.2. Very similar, very similar. Okay, we removed our top bolts from our gas valve. Okay, our bottom bolts are out as well. All right, just now to remove the lead connected to the hose connected to the fan. We've got our O-rings in our new gas valve, O-ring up there. Okay, new gas valve in. Tightness test taking place. Okay, let's test the new gas valve.